In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show you how you can operate all vibration options available on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Sound and Vibration. Following that, scroll down again. Tap on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals. And this way, enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate in Silent Mode to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Lastly, tap on Vibrate on tap. Now you can tap on one of those options to adjust intensity of touch vibrations, in my case medium, or disable them completely by selecting off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!